Go ahead and log in with the username and password for your site. Okay, and here we arrive at the Web Shop Manager dashboard. If you have multiple websites on this platform, you can switch between them by clicking on the My Sites dropdown in the upper right-hand corner. Also, I would like to point out that from your dashboard you can find a support request link in the upper right. This is a great way to communicate with the Web Shop Manager team regarding any issues, questions, bug fixes, feature add-ons, or other support you may need for your site. Now let's get started using the 301 redirect function. From your main menu, navigate to System and then down to Redirects. From here you can view any redirects that had previously been created. Since there are none, let's add one and see what functions this service allows. You'll notice that this is a fairly quick process with minimal fields to edit. The first field is called the URL path. This is where you'll enter the old URL that you wish to redirect. The second is the target. This is the URL where you want the old one to point to. The last function here is rewrite, which I'll touch on at the very end. So each of these fields also contains an example of how this should look. The first field you'll notice just includes the / and then the page name. So I know that my old page that I want to redirect was / our mission. Now I'd like our mission to actually update. So I want our mission to now point to mission statement. The enable rewrite function, if left unchecked, means it's disabled. And this means that if a user searches for your site using the old URL, their web browser will still show them the new will now show them the new URL address. Enabling rewrite means that if a user enters the old URL, the web browser will show them as being at the old address even though they are actually on the new URL page. This option is a matter of preference, and either choice is acceptable by Google SEO standards. I'm going to go ahead and leave this unchecked so we can see the process in action. Okay, so I'm going to click on Add now. Okay, great. So if we were to go to, I want to copy this to make it a little bit easier in the typing. And then we go to / our mission. If you paid attention to the URL address field, you can actually see that it has now changed to mission statement. I'll do that one more time so you can see. Okay, our mission, enter, and it's redirected to the mission statement page. Okay, this concludes our tutorial on 301 redirects from the Web Shop Manager.